Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new video. In this video, I will teach you about how to use Quora for content marketing and traffic generation. So stay tuned and let's get started. Quora is a powerful platform where you can find answers to your burning questions. But did you know that it can also be an excellent tool for content marketing and driving traffic to your website? First, create an account on Quora if you haven't already. Then, find questions related to your niche or industry. Once you've identified them, provide insightful, valuable answers. Remember, quality is key. Share your expertise and include a link to your relevant blog post or web page to direct users to your site. Now let's talk about the impact. By consistently answering questions and sharing your knowledge, you not only establish yourself as an authority in your field, but also drive organic traffic to your website. It's a win-win. And that's it. You now know how to use Quora for content marketing and traffic generation. With dedication and meaningful interactions, you can see your online presence soar. In conclusion, be patient and persistent. Building your reputation in Quora takes time, but the rewards are worth it. It's a great way to connect with your audience, showcase your expertise, and boost website traffic. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use Quora for content marketing and traffic generation. See you on my next video.